Hello and welcome to a new Forex trading update. In this video I'm going to go over changes that were just made to the website, the new payment structure for having trades copied to your account, and the trades that are currently in the market and being copied to my now 57 official copiers. So let's go through the website real quickly. I recommend checking out the new video that I just posted right on the front page, going over the new options on the website and what to expect. And the mission is the same as of now. And the notice that I just put up here. So this just thanks for copying my trades for everybody that joined during the promotional period. I never intended to make this copier service a paid one. But unfortunately, the broker that I'm using, an affiliate of, they are great. I like them a lot. Traders Way, they're fantastic. But their commission structure is a bit low for me, and that might change down the road. And it's something like 1% for those that I have trades copied to their account. So those a good portion of those 57 people joined under my Traders Way link, and so I'm only making a 1% commission basically off of the profit that's made. For example, if you make $8 from a trade that I made on your account, I'm only getting 8 cents commission from the broker on that, and you can see that that's really quite small, and so that's why I'm kind of forced to go in this direction. And I hope that makes sense to people, but I'm wanting to do it in a very affordable way. I'm offering a 5-day free trial, so that this allows you to see how my trading works, and you can do this on a demo account as well, so you can try it out without even putting any money down. And then after that, you'll, if you want to continue my trades being copied to your account, you'll have to pay a $20 fee. Now, $20 may seem like a lot to some people, but when it comes to the Forex world and what's typically done, it's usually a lot more expensive. And most of the time you'll find copier service or signals being offered for $100, $200, and sometimes in some cases $500 a month. I didn't want to be part of that. If I'm going to go paid, I'm going to try to be as inexpensive as possible, to make this affordable to even the smaller accounts that are people are wanting to use, like $500, $1,000, and to use my copier service, it has to be with a small account. It has to be cheap. It has to be inexpensive. So $20, and I explained the commission structure on this a bit more in the Step 2 video. I'm using a website called FX Junction, and it's a third-party website. It's a social trading network which has a pretty good member base of 25,000 people, and they have a very, very good support team, which were responding to my emails in 15 minutes. So really cool place. Check them out, and they are in my second video on Step 2, so you can go through those steps if you'd like, or click the link if you want to sign up and join my signal through that. So the cost, $20. They're the only service that allows me to keep my costs this low. Most of the other ones require much higher fees of at least $50 or so in order to make it work. And I just kept looking for other options to make this inexpensive, and eventually found one, and that's through FX Junction. Okay, so same steps for those that have already joined, but this is a video for newcomers that want to start the process, 5-day free trial, and then paying the $20 after. But for those 57 that also have accounts, this might interest you, because if you guys remember, if you didn't want to leave your computer on and your trading platform on your computer 24/5 and connected to the internet 24/5, so 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, in order to get copied trades to your account, you needed to leave your computer on like this. And for some people that was kind of a turnoff, because in frustration, because sometimes you don't have two computers, you bring yours around from home to work, and you can't possibly leave it on all the time. So this would force you to get a virtual server, which is a server somewhere in the world which allows you to be connected and install all of your software onto this computer, and so you can have my trades copied to your account, and allowing you to turn off your computer at home. And that complication made things a little bit tricky. This new service, so using it through FX Junction for the free 5-day free trial and the $20 a month, includes the VPS. So that means that you sign up, takes 5 minutes, and you get the free trial and then the $20 a month after that. But it also includes the VPS on top of that. So if you don't want to pay the $8 a month with my free service that was during the promotional period, you can join the new one for $20 a month, and it includes the VPS, and you don't have to keep your computer on at all times, and the process is only 5 minutes instead of 30. Okay, so for those that, I'm not trying to entice you guys that have joined my service already you can continue to keep the free service and join a VPS and do all that kind of stuff. But if you want to make things easier, this is an option for you, but it's not a necessity. I'm going to continue to have trades copied to those 57 people for as long as I'm continuing to trade the markets. You'll get those free signals. Okay? So, join under Trader's Way if you'd like, if you're new to this. And you can make an account at Trader's Way through this instructional video here. Make sure you sign up with at least $500. And you have an account leverage of 200. I recommend 1 to 500. This will be shown in the sign-up process below and on Trader's Way. If you have any questions, you can always contact Trader's Way support. And you can also always contact me if you have any questions as well. Okay, so check that video out, and you can sign up through the link here. Step 2. This shows you how to set up the 5-day free trial, which means no money down, but your trial will end, and you, if you want to continue using my copier, they will tell you to deposit $20 so you can continue taking my signals. Okay, so that will be shown in this video below. So check that out, and then the free copier trial setup link down here, you can click that. Alright, so the setup process is much faster now. The video, I think the total videos in length is about 15 minutes long, and so you can get signed up and set up in 15 minutes. And once you're set up, it's really easy. There's no upkeep. Everything is done in an automated way, and you'll make money in a passively. You don't have to be logged on to your computer. Everything is done, and you can see all this through your actual trading account, or you can log into your FX Junction account and see all that, all the action happening there too. All right, risk and expectation. This is a video that I'm going to be releasing pretty soon, probably tomorrow. It goes over more elite options, advanced options having to do with FX Junction and trading risk on your account. All right, Trader's Way profit goal per month. This is still 10 to 15%, but make sure that you have an account leverage of at least 200 to 1 for the 10 to 15% goal of a month. So you need 200 to 1 leverage on your brokerage in order to get the 10 to 15% per month. If you have something like 50 to 1 leverage at Oanda, this will be talked more about later, your profit expectation will be lower, and that will be explained. Okay, so risk disclaimer. Make sure you check that out. Every investment has a risk, and there's no way to get around it. Join my Telegram channel. You don't have to be a member of my website or be joining my signals. Anybody can join. Okay. All right. So let's get into the trades. So sorry to take quite a bit of time there. All right. So we have our trades being copied to a demo account here, and this is the one I've been setting up in previous videos. And we have 2 trades in, so one on the New Zealand Canadian dollar and one on the pound Canadian dollar, and this should be very similar to what your account looks like as well. So you should have these 2 trades in. For those of you that were part of my promotional period, the 57, should have these 2 trades in, or a good portion of you should. Okay, and you can see the trades. Now I'm going to go into why they were taken, how they were taken, and when we expect them to actually take profit. All right, so the first pound Canadian dollar trade was taken on a push down, a 2-bar inside candle setup, so a bearish candle, made a new low down here, inside bullish candle followed, and that's our 2-bar setup. We enter on the directly after the next candle setup, or the next candle entry, and it did push up a bit, but not enough, went back down, and then it keeps bouncing back up and forth around this area. And it's because we're very close to, again, the 76 round number So the round number causes increased volatility, and the price will probably continue to do this for at least the next 2 to 3 hours. All right, so what to expect from the pound Canadian dollar on this particular trade? Well, Carney is speaking, and as you know, he's going to he has a lot of importance on the pound, and he could say something that might cause increased volatility, and that happens at 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so the market could definitely move in our favor or against us, but likely we'll be able to come out with profit anyway. All right, so the NZD Canadian dollar, oh yeah, so this is a buy trade. So this is a buy trade. That means that we're expecting the market to go up. If it goes up, great. If it doesn't and it goes down, then we'll enter more trades and look for a pullback from the market around the likely 75 or 75 level, I would guess. All right, so the NZD CAD. Now this trade might look a little bit weird to some people because you're thinking, if you scroll out, you're thinking, oh, well, it's been on a massive uptrend and it's been going up since the 8th of February. Why would you enter a sell trade? So I sell trade here at the peak, expecting this to move down when it's in a trending format. It doesn't make a lot of sense. Well, remember, I'm a counter trend trader, so I'm looking for places in the market where we have pullbacks. So push up, push down, in here, push up, push down, in here, push up, push down, another one in here, and then this one's been pushing up since. So I'm looking for these areas of pullback that happen. And so I'm expecting one right here at the top because the candlesticks are showing me that the push up is slowing and there could be a little bit of a pullback, which we are trying to profit on. Alright, so the 2-bar setup is same thing here. New high, bullish candle, followed by a bearish candle inside, entry on the next candle. And so price has been ranging up and down around this level as well. And pretty close to a whole number, but not quite. Obviously the market is in low volatility and volume at the moment. Sometimes that happens on Monday. So guys, be patient with your trades as more action may happen on the pound soon, but we don't know if that's going to have any effect on the NZD CAD. It's important for us to wait for these trades to do their thing, to hit profit. Sometimes it takes 1 to 72 hours. So basically you can expect trades to be closed out in 1 to maybe 3 days. A lot of times they're closed out in a couple hours or less, but sometimes they can take 3 days or more. Sometimes we can even have trades in for as long as a week before they actually take profit. So it's important to be patient. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me through my website, through the Telegram page as well. I want people to be active with this. If you have questions or concerns on your trades or what's going on, I can help you and explain to you what's happening in the market. And in any other investment, if you had concerns or questions, a lot of times they are not really answered, especially in the crypto market. In particular, maybe lending platforms. A lot of times we're not able to get in contact with the devs to give us information on what's happening in the market or why something is happening and that doesn't make sense. So we don't have a lot of closure in a lot of our investments, and so I'm trying to change that a little bit to give you guys more hands-on on your new investment, whether it's through me or through a third party, through FX Junction, which you can follow through the instruction videos below on my website. Alright, so that's pretty much it that I want to do for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to give more updates on trades coming soon. This video was a lot tailored towards my new website and what to expect from it. But in the future, I'm going to explain more about my strategy and a little bit more in depth about how it works and what I'm looking for. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye.